Hello and welcome back to another episode of Ask VSA. My name is Peter Vox and I am the director and principal teacher of Vox Singing Academy, which was established in 1993. We have numerous studios here in Melbourne with male and female teachers. We give online singing lessons worldwide, 7 days a week. We also have singing courses. Check out the links below for more info. You like this channel, click like and subscribe somewhere here. That would be fantastic. If you have a question, put it in the comments. If I think the question is a fantastic question or a good question or warrants me to answer it, I will answer it. Okay, the next question that I'm going to answer is, what songs best suit my voice? Now, this is an extension of a previous question that was asked, which was, why can't I sing certain songs? So this is sort of an extension of that, okay, a sub question. What songs best suit my voice? Now, just going, I'm going to go a little deeper into this question here. Number one is sing genres or a genre that you love to sing, okay? Number two, this is most important, but it's two, is sing songs that are in a good key for your voice. So you want to find out what type of voice you are, okay? Now, I'm going to go over this very simply here, okay? In the simplest way I can. Let's just be very simple with the female voice. Firstly, there are three basic female voices. The lowest voice, which is a contralto, the lowest voice. The middle voice is an alto, and the highest voice is called a soprano. That's generally what they're graded in, okay? Low, middle, high, okay? The males is bass is generally graded as the lowest, baritone the middle, and tenor the highest singer. You want to find out where your voice sings. You want to find out where your voice sings. That was silly, Peter. You want to find out where your voice best sounds the best, okay? So when you're singing, if you're straining, when you're singing higher, song's too high for you and you might not be a soprano or a tenor. So sing some lower songs where it sounds the best and where your voice, you think your voice sounds the best. That's what you want to do. So sing in a couple of different keys. So songs that are higher, lower, very low. See what you like to sing and what's comfortable for you. And that's where I would be basically singing. Now, songs that best suit my voice. So that kind of answers it there, really. But there are lots of different styles of songs. Faster songs, slower songs, higher songs, lower songs. Now, as a general rule, when you're singing a slower song or a ballad, they're generally harder to sing. Reason being is you have to hold out long sustained notes. So it's a lot harder to sing. When I was younger, so much younger than today. Okay, so it's a lot harder to sing that than the Beatles version. When I was younger, so much younger than today, because I didn't have to hold out as many longer held out phrases, okay? So it's always easier to sing mid-paced to faster songs. So if you're a beginner, that's a great tip there, okay? What songs you should also be singing are songs that you, as I said, that you like, that are in a good key for your voice. Mid-paced or faster songs if you're starting off. But you want to pick songs that you really are comfortable singing, that you like to sing, that you enjoy singing, that aren't going to stress you out. And a genre that you like. Am I repeating myself here? That pretty much answers the question. I don't have anything else more. That's it. It's pretty simple. So find out what key you best sound the best in and what genre you like to sing, and then go with that. And practice, have some fun. If we could help you out further with your singing, we'd be absolutely honored. Check out the links below for more info. You like this channel, click like and subscribe somewhere down here. If you super like it, share it with all your friends. Most importantly, enjoy your singing and your music. Live every day as if it's your last and be good to each other. Until the next video, peace. Send much love, no editing.